Hello guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today, as you can see, we will learn about the track deliveries with the ShipStation, Google Sheet and the n8n. So this workflow let you monitor order delivery statuses, update a Google Sheet with tracking info, and notify your customer or internal team when a package is delivered, all without manual checks. This is perfect for e-commerce businesses, logistics companies, or fulfillment agencies that need to keep track of multiple deliveries efficiently and in real time. So this workflow will trigger when ShipStation sends the shipment update via webhook trigger. We retrieve tracking detail, the order ID, carrier, tracking number, delivery status, and date. We'll update a Google Sheet with the latest shipment data, and we'll send a Slack message or email when the package is delivered. So let's start the workflow, guys. First, we have the webhook trigger with the path ShipStation tracking. His purpose is to start the workflow whenever ShipStation send an update about a shipment. Response will be on receive, and the method will be post. After that, what it does, this node will receive real-time shipment updates from ShipStation automatically whenever an order shipping status changes, included in transit, out of delivery, or delivered. So example of the payload from the ShipStation will be order ID, tracking number, carrier code, ship date, or delivery status. After that, you need the set node to format the tracking data. You see, we'll get the order ID, JSON order ID, tracking number, JSON tracking number, the carrier, JSON carrier code to uppercase, and the status, JSON delivery status, ship date, and last update, the date when it was last time updated. What it does with this, prepare clean label data for your Google Sheet and Slack notification. Let's continue. After that, we have the Google Sheet node. His purpose is to automatically update or insert delivery info into your tracking spreadsheet. So operation is create or update. And the header from your Google Sheet will be the order ID, the tracking number, the carrier, the status, the ship date, and the last updated. What it does, ensure your sheet always shows the latest tracking data, updating rows if the shipment changes status, or adding new ones for new tracking numbers. After that, you have the if node, if delivery. If it's true, you have this JSON status equal with deliver. This route only completed deliveries to the next notification step. His purpose is to determine whether the shipment has been delivered, and if it is not delivered, the workflow stop. So after that, we have the Slack node. His purpose is to send a message in Slack when a package has been delivered. You see operation post, channel order updates, and the text will be like this. Order JSON order ID has been delivered, carrier, JSON carrier, tracking, JSON tracking number, ship date, and deliver at JSON last updated. This notify your fulfillment or support team in real time whenever a package is marked delivered. That was all for this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.